Let's explore an interesting question in chemistry. Can isotopes also be ions? To answer this, let's first understand what isotopes and ions are separately. First, let's understand what isotopes are. Here's a carbon-12 atom. It has 6 protons and 6 neutrons in its nucleus and 6 electrons orbiting around it. A carbon-13 isotope has the same number of protons, 6, but has 7 neutrons instead. Isotopes are atoms of the same element, same number of protons, but with different numbers of neutrons. Now, let's understand ions. Here's a neutral sodium atom with 11 protons and 11 electrons. When it loses an electron, it becomes a sodium ion with a positive charge. Ions are atoms that have gained or lost electrons, resulting in a net electrical charge. So, can isotopes be ions? Yes. Let's look at an example. Here's our carbon-13 isotope again, neutral with 6 protons, 7 neutrons, and 6 electrons. If it loses an electron, it becomes a carbon-13 ion. It's still an isotope of carbon because it has 6 protons, but it's also an ion because it has lost an electron. In conclusion, being an isotope and being an ion are independent properties. An isotope refers to the number of neutrons in the nucleus, while being an ion refers to the number of electrons. So yes, an isotope can absolutely be an ion.